Your brother is gonna be...
Does it feel faster?
Dude, it feels so different. Welcome back to the shop. I'm Jason, and today we've got a special episode. I'm surprising my son John with a pedal commander on his 2008 BMW 328. See, he drives my 540 or my X5 or my Tesla or my M5, and he's like, I really want my car to be faster. But for the most part, I don't pay for anything on his car. I make him do it on his own so that he has the opportunity to learn. Occasionally though, I hear from a sponsor like Pedal Commander that says, hey, you want to give this a try? And I have an opportunity to throw this at my son. Mainly, I think he's gonna be blown away by the change in the way that the car feels. So we've got to go get the key from him because it's Sunday morning, just after 8. That sucker's still sleeping, teenager life. I told him to leave the key out, so I'm gonna sneak into his room. Still sleeping. Freaking teenagers. Of course, his little brother's up to help me because he knows about this, but John doesn't know what we're doing. So it's gonna be a total surprise for him. While I'm warming up his car before I pull it in the garage, let's talk a little bit about what the Pedal Commander does. You see, it interfaces with the gas pedal and it changes the arc or the inflection curve of the pedal. So it can make a car with a really lazy gas pedal, like this N52 328, feel like a sports car. Let's see what we have in the box. Got our instruction card on the back here. And then our actual unit, our cord, cleaning wipe, and our two-sided tape, plus some zip ties. Once you've determined where you want to put your Pedal Commander, we're going to be putting ours right here. Nice, close, easy access, easy to pop off and make adjustments. You need to get access to your connectors. Our gas pedal has a little plug on the bottom. You got to try to get out. Then below that plug, we've got an Allen bolt that will pull out. Now, if you've got a bunch of dirt and debris and stuff underneath here at your gas pedal, it can make them harder to come out. It'll also make it tough to put your bolt in if all that dirt falls down in there. Try to get underneath it here to give it a little bit more push. Should just be a lift up situation. There we are. There's barely enough room to get to our connector, but it's gonna have a clip on the bottom and a clip on the top that you have to release, pull down. So if you push the gas pedal up, it'll give you just slightly more room. Yeah, there's all that dirt. That's what was stopping us. All right, before we do anything, we're gonna clean all that mess up because that'll make this slide in better and then this drop in better as well. To run our cables down, I'm gonna pop this lower panel off. These are not the stock screw locations, but as is common on these, the stock screw locations break off at the bottom. So we're just gonna loosen that guy up. Bring our cable around the backside. You want to make sure you route your cable in such a way that, camera down again, it's not going to be getting caught up on your feet. So we don't need a lot of cable down at the pedal. We only need enough to loop in right here. So we'll start with that. And then we can push our cable back down until we get to our proper location here. About right there. Our first step is going to be to connect our factory harness. So that's this connector here. Make sure that we get clipped in on both sides. We should feel snap, snap. And then we got to get our gas pedal back in there. And same thing on this one. Get her rotated just right. Great time to use that little bit of extra length. So push it in. There it was, 2 little clicks. Okay. Now, cable management. We're gonna wanna push this guy up a little. Make sure that that's safe off to the side. And then you have to drop back down into the top clip and into the bottom clip as we pull our pedal down. And once it goes, it will drop right in like that. Then we can make sure both of our cables are out of the way and far enough back. So I'm going to tuck them all the way to the rear and all the way to the side here. There's plenty of room. Now we can take our included little alcohol wipe and we'll clean everything. Yeah. All right, this is probably the hardest part of the whole job. Getting this lined up straight. Ah, man. So nice when it works the first time. Alrighty. Right. There. So check this out. I'm in the Pedal Commander app and we've got our 4 modes. We've got Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. Inside of each one of these modes, we have 4 plus or 4 minus for a total of 8 settings in each one of the 4. And I don't math that fast, so you can do the math on how many total settings there are, but probably more than enough to get it just right. I've got it in Eco Normal. I'm gonna adjust it down to -4. And let's see how the RPM revs right here. I mean, it's okay. I've got to give it a ton of pedal though. Let's switch it over to Sport and let's go full kill mode, Sport +4. Oh man, I just kind of doop on that pedal and it was like zoop. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this before John tries it. Let's go see what kill mode really feels like, or Sport +4. Better put my phone down. Oh, dude.
I can't actually feel it, so to me it's just normal.
Yeah, but on the pedal, it feels just like my M5. Like it wants to zip, zip. Damn. I haven't even driven it yet. It already feels that cool. Your brother is gonna be.
Feel faster?
Dude, it feels so different. Gosh. Like seriously, the M5 is tuned so aggressively and it feels so much like that. It's like I'm learning to drive a stick again. Dang, that's really cool. All right, let's see right off of the stoplight or stop sign. Dude, you know what it feels like? You wouldn't know this, but some of you guys might that are a little older. It feels like the very first time I drove an E46 M3. Those with the individual throttle bodies and the super duper touchy throttles, they were just so rippy and responsive and they wanted every bit of gas pedal to count. And this honestly feels just like that. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell John exactly what this thing does. And I'm gonna set it to Eco -4, which is like the slowest mode. But it's also the mode that if you're looking to get better gas mileage, that's the way to do it because you're gonna be able to control the throttle much more effectively than you would otherwise. Then while we're out driving, I'll switch it over Sport Plus and see what he really thinks. All right, so this is John.
Just woke up.
Doesn't really know what's going on yet. So we're gonna give him the key.
Just get in?
Yeah.
Start it?
Yeah. And we're just gonna go for a little drive. Does it feel any different?
It feels softer and a little more sensitive.
Softer?
Yeah.
That's an interesting observation. All right, don't scare these old people. They're just out for a nice morning walk. Any difference?
I don't know, it just feels a little bit softer feeling. I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay, softer is a great way to explain it. Do you think like
smoother?
Smoother. You think
Yeah.
you could get better gas mileage with the way this feels?
Yeah.
Maybe it feels softer, better gas mileage is a possibility. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a change. No gas.
Okay.
Just clutch in.
The pedal just got way more sensitive.
Did it just get more sensitive? That's an
It's
interesting.
just for a bit.
All right. You guys can see the mode here.
All right, I'm going.
Oh my God!
What the heck? That was weird.
What do you think of that?
I didn't even touch it barely. What the? Okay. Was it like auto rev matching for me or?
No.
What?
So this is the Pedal Commander. We've got it on Super Kill mode, Sport Plus 4 right now, which means it's way more
Really
sensitive. Yeah, do you feel that?
I'm not even touched.
How nuts is that?
Like.
How's the rev match feel? Like it just wants to rip?
Yeah. What the heck? Yeah. Okay.
All right, so that's Sport Plus
weird.
plus 4.
That was.
Let me move you down into more like what I would drive in daily.
That was impossible to start going because it was just 4,000 RPM. That was weird.
So here's City plus 4, and we can adjust it on our phone. I can show you guys here. So on the fly, I'm making adjustments to the car for him so that he can feel what it feels like. And how's that feel?
That
feels
more manageable.
More manageable, right? Not racetracky.
Yeah.
We don't need racetrack mode and everyday mode.
The other one was still too much for the racetrack. Like I couldn't even get it going.
I thought I was gonna stall it when I was driving it. I was like, whoa!
Because I couldn't use the pedal.
All right, how about just sport mode? Let's go over there. Okay, this is sport mode.
Oh, that's.
And this is just straight sport,
different.
0, no plus or minus. All right, here we go.
Okay, I almost stalled it. It's certainly different.
All right, don't pass this guy. Let them go.
Yeah.
We don't need to scare all the people in the morning.
Oh my God. I'm just trying to get on the freeway, bro.
Okay, so John got a little bit more driving on the Pedal Commander yesterday, so let's get his final thoughts and see what he really thinks. What do you think, bud?
I really like it. I think it makes the car feel faster without the car actually becoming faster, if you know what I'm saying, because like with more powerful car, less on the pedal is gonna get you going faster. So with this, because of how it changes that throttle curve, you can give it less pedal, but the car starts going faster, if you know what I'm saying. Like,
So it feels faster.
It makes the car feel faster, more exciting to drive and stuff, yeah.
Maybe we're gonna have to get a draggy or something so that we can actually test to see, is it faster or does it just feel faster? At the end of the day, the feel that you get out of this was pretty astounding. We're gonna be taking the M5 out this weekend. We've got a track event coming up. John's been driving that, so he can kind of get that back-to-back feel after driving the Pedal Commander car all week. If you're looking for one of these, take a look down below in the description, first pinned comment. You can pick one up for your car. They've got them for all sorts of different cars, makes, models, and everything in between. I've got that link down below for you. Like, subscribe, comment, come back, take a look at all the other projects. We really appreciate you watching. We'll see you
In the next one.
Why is he still going?